welcome back to School at Home program. Yeah, today we will discuss with the new topic that is abounded. What do you mean by abounded, children? Discarded. Abounded nothing but discarded or left something. Okay, children. What is left something? Here is a picture you can observe here. This is a picture. Even I have drawn on the blackboard. Look after this. Here you can. This is garbage. The waste material are there in the garbage. But what is there including the waste material? Here is a baby, that is infant. Some people who don't want to care about the baby. They thrown the baby, or they abounded the baby, or they discarded the baby, or they left something, that is baby, in the garbage. Yes, yeah. I'll read the first answer. Abounded to the garbage bin. So this baby was abandoned in the garbage bin with mosquitoes and insects. What do you find in these children? The mosquitoes. You can find the mosquitoes in the garbage. Eating its tiny fingers away. What they were eating here? The mosquitoes, the insects. They were eating the tiny fingers of the baby. What they were eating? They were eating the tiny fingers of the baby. Little baby crying for help. Why the baby was crying? The little baby was crying because all the insects were eating the baby. That is the reason the little baby was crying. As foul smells comes into play, the polluted smell makes the baby to play. That is only the option where the baby need to find. Foul smell, nothing but polluted smell. So that is the sentence. The foul smell comes into play. As foul smell comes into the play. What is this here? Whether foul has life. So this sentence is called as personification. What is personification? Figures of speech. Figures of speech. Which makes the baby to play the foul smell. Right. Irradiating from disposed bacteria. Irradiating from disposed. How the bacteria will be, how the waste material will be disposed due to rays of the sunlight. Okay. Now bacteria is ready. Yeah. Here the bacteria is ready. Unheard shrieks of the baby hysteria. Uncontrolled excitement. The baby was uncontrolled. The baby was crying a lot because there is no food and the baby cannot sleep comfortably. Dine airy. Airy nothing but midnight. What do you mean by airy, children? Airy nothing but midnight. The baby was crying in midnight. Silence of the light. Cast, she is questioning why it has been thrown, girl and baby. And an outcast of destiny, unwanted. The baby is unwanted. The people in the society, they thrown the baby because they don't want the baby. They were killing the baby. It labored breath, unable to take the breath. The baby cannot take the breath properly. Racing in quick gasp. Gasp nothing but deep breath. Okay. Force lonely like a crab. Crab means it's like a solid waste, poor quality. The baby was forced like a solid waste. With sinuous lips, with a greenish color lips. Sea blue nose and fingertips. It's a tattered and torn dirty wrap. What was wrapped towards the baby? The dirty cloth was wrapped towards the baby. A filthy black cat. Muddy and dirty fat cat. Edges on the holded bin. Here the cat will sits and it will watch and it will search for the food and finds eat food. The cat will find the food. Tearing at the baby's hair. The cat may think that the hair of the baby may be that. So the cat will turn the hair of the baby. With their sharp teeth. The cat teeth was very sharp. Gnawing at its ears. The cat may eat the ears of the baby. To complete their feet. Okay, meal for animals. As the cat jumps in with a screeching meow, how he jumps into the garbage? By making a sound that is meow. The rat lets loose. Loose means the rat run away. A clicking quack. An understandable sound that is quack. A bloody chose ensures the only sin of the infant being born as a why the baby was being born. What is the reason behind? The reason is only that becoming a human being or being born as a human being. That is only the fault with the baby. See children, what is it? Why the babies will be abandoned from the family because of illegal, because of gender discrimination or else because of shelter. These are the three things why the people will abandon the baby. And it was written by Dr. Surya Nasim. Okay, yeah, just you look after the board. Now, once again I'll read the poem. Abandoned to the garbage bin. This baby is abandoned with mosquitoes and insects eating its tiny fingers away. Little baby crying for help as foul smells comes into play, irradiating from disposed bacteria. Unheard shrieks of the baby hysteria, dying airy silence of the night. An outcast of destiny, its labored breath racing in quick gasp, force lonely like crab with sinuous lips, sea blue nose and fingertips, its tattered and torn dirty wrap, make it shiver in freezing gaps. Yeah, why the baby will shiver? Because of torn out blanket, it will make the baby shiver. A filthy black cat edges onto the holding bin, searching for easy rats and finds its food. Tearing at the baby's ear with their sharp teeth, gnawing at its ear to complete their feed. As the cat jumps in with a screeching meow, the rats let loose, a clicking quack, a bloody chores ensues. The only sin of the baby is being born. Yeah, here a few more glossary. Abounded. Left something or somebody forever. See why the baby will be abandoned, because there is a few reasons. Poverty, gender, discrimination, unwanted pregnancies. These are the reasons behind the abandoned. Irradiating, sending rays of light upon. Shriek, a short, a loud, high cry. Hysteria, uncontrolled excitement, causing a feeling of mysteria and fear. Destiny, power believed to control events. Scrap, solid waste. Cyanosed, a deep greenish blue color, grounding, beating steadily something. And here answer the following questions, children. You can answer it. You can write with your own. And the project work, page number 160. Collect the information about the people who fought against social evils. Prepare a report on the difficulties and opposition they had faced to fight against the evils. Discuss in your groups the similarities in the problems they faced and the solutions they found to tackle them, present it before the class. So this project also you can do it, children. Serial number, name of the person, place social evils they fought against. Period here. See here is a person name. What is the problem here? That is caste, sati, child marriages. In which year? 1820 to 1830. In the similar manner, you can write few more and write down the place, social evils and period. Okay? Yeah, look after it. Okay children, try to complete your homework, that is meanings, question answers and project work. Okay, we will see you tomorrow.